Hello everybody and welcome to my moving sale video. So what does that mean? Well, if you watched my last video, I gave you guys the good news that I will be moving. I am moving out of this teeny tiny townhouse and this teeny tiny studio, which is currently a mess right now. But yes, I am moving out and moving into a new home. Finally, got a house, really excited about that. So what does that mean? It means I need to get rid of everything because I do not want to pack it up and I do not want to take it over to the new house and have it sitting wrapped up until my father, comes and finishes and the basement until my new studio is ready. So I want to get rid of everything so that I don't have to take it over to the new house and risk damaging it. So I've literally put everything I have on the table. And this is everything I've got. I think that's everything. Yes, I'm pretty sure that's everything. So I'm gonna start here in the bottom corner right here and work my way around. I'm going to list the video number that corresponds with that painting. And then you can email me at kanella@gmail.com and then just say to me, hey, I saw your video. I'm interested in the painting from video number 678. And then I will give you pricing. Everything here is significantly discounted because again, I just want it to sell so I don't have to transport it over to the new house when I move. Some pieces are severely discounted because they are older pieces. So if you ever wanted to get a piece of my art, but couldn't just quite afford it, this might be your chance to grab something and take it and buy it and I will ship it to you. So yeah, let's start here in the bottom corner. So this one here still needs a top coat of Krystal Resin. I did not get a chance to resin it before I left for Niagara, so just pretend this has resin on it, okay? This one here is the cream base with the browns, coppers, golds, all that fun stuff, okay? And that is a 12 by 16. Then we have this blue piece. That was from my 3 series paintings where I did the blue and then I did the rose gold, which is next to this one. And then the copper sold, that one's gone. But so this one is a 12 by 16 as well. Okay, and I excuse the lighting and the glares, but that's just how it is with resin. So this is the next piece, again, a 12 by 16. This one is the one that has the rose gold in it. All right, so there's this one here, 12 by 16. Then we have the lime green, nice green color here. This is also a 12 by 16. This is all from my color series. All right, then we've got the lilac purple base with purples and golds and all that in it. This is also a 12 by 16 inch canvas. All right, and then moving along over here, we've got the yellow base. And this one's also a 12 by 16. All right. Then we have a 14 by 14. So this was the darker series that I had done. So this has your magentas and your pinks and your purples. This is a 14 by 14. There's a little doggy hair there. There we go. 14 by 14. And then another 14 by 14. This is a purple base with a bunch of purples and gold in it. 14 by 14. Then I have these little guys here. These are little mini blooms. This one actually still needs resin. So this one also needs resin. We're gonna call this one no video number 1 because there's no video to this. So I literally just did that in Niagara Falls. That was my demo piece for my class. So no video, that is a 10-inch round. This is also a 10-inch round. This one has resin on it. Okay, so this one, look at that shine. So this is also a bloom 10-inch on canvas. We'll call that no video number 2. And this is also a little demo that I did. Super cute little 8x8 inch, okay? These are all just little demos. So actually, you know what? I'm gonna call this Demo 1, Demo 2, Demo 3, actually. That's what I'm gonna call it. All right, so now we move over here. This is a black base with rainbow colors. This is a 14x18 inch canvas. Lots of pretty rainbow colors on this one. And then I did the exact same colors on a blue base. So this is the phthalo blue base. So this is also a 14x18 inch canvas. And then again, the same colors on a turquoise green base. I mean, this thing pops. I love this. I'm so surprised I still have it in the studio and someone hasn't snagged it up yet. I'm super surprised. This is on a 16x20 inch. Okay. Then we move along over here to a 14-inch bloom on a canvas, which is actually ironic that these colors match those colors. Isn't that funny? So this is a 14-inch bloom on canvas. And then this is one of my recent paintings, 14x14 inch. Wait, 14x14, look at that shimmer. So that is on a light gray base. And then this one, someone said looks like a creamsicle. So this is a 14x14 inch as well. And it's got the oranges and yellows. Okay, there's that. And then we have this one. It's a 12x16, but on a level 2 canvas. And this one was a demo I did using TLP piggies for my blowout, which yes, I'm still going to do a video and give you guys ratios. That is coming up soon. I promise. So this is a 12x16 with TLP piggies. And we're going to call this one demo number 4. Okay, and then we have demo number 5. This one here is just a wood round, little 8-inch. Yes, 8-inch. I did a swipe. You can see the wood striations in there. That's really neat. So I just did a swipe with piggies. So that is, let's call that one demo number 5. Oh, let me reach over here. And this is demo number 6. Again, just did some piggy bloom. I was just practicing, but again, these are just small little pieces that are going to be very cheap and affordable. This is demo number 6. And then last but not least, we've got my wave art. Oops, I'm tripping on things. This is my wave art. This I did with my laser machine with shades of gray. It comes with hanging hardware, as you can see. So this is wave art, and there's no video for that. So we're gonna call it demo number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, demo number 7. So there you go. I mean, that is what I have currently available. That is for sale. Like I said, some of these pieces, especially like these ones here in the center, the demo pieces, are going to be super cheap. And then again, some pieces like the turquoise one has been here for a really long time. So that's definitely going to have a major discount to it. But yeah, if anyone has ever been interested in purchasing my art, but it just wasn't within reach financially, this might be a good time. I mean, you don't know unless you ask, right? So email me if you're interested in any of these pieces. And I'll even go a step further. If you buy more than one piece, I will give you even more of a discount. So buy more than one and get an extra discount. So there you have it. Email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. Do not write in the comments below and say, hey, Kanella, I want, demo piece number 3, because I may not see that comment. You have to email me, okay? If you want to claim a painting, you must email me, kanellaciraco@gmail.com. So there you have it. All right. Email me, purchase a painting at a discounted rate, and I'll ship it out to you next week. That is it for me for now. Until next time, my friends, happy shopping. Bye. I lied. There was one more piece hiding and I forgot to put it on the table. So this is a 14 by 14 inch wooden board where I did a blowout on it, and then I did a gold and red leafing stencil, and I added these cute koi fish. So this is also available. So there's that. I totally forgot it was sitting in the back corner. So there, now you have all the pieces. Now I shall say goodbye. Bye.